What is going on, you guys? It has been a few days since I've been able to drop a training. I've been traveling. I do have a new training. This is a good one. You guys are going to dig this if you don't know how to use this tool. This actually came from chatting with one of you guys in the group. So, what I ask of you is that if you guys need help with something, if you have any questions or anything like that, let's chat, man, because a lot of good things come from us having conversations and figuring out what you guys need help with. Okay. So we were talking about QR codes and a couple different things, and I actually learned some of this from the gym that I was just at. So, all right, I'm going to share this with you guys. I'm going to use two different browsers because this is Chrome. I'm assuming most of you guys probably use Chrome. I use Brave, which is built on Chrome, so it's the same shit, but I'm going to show you guys how to do this in both. Okay. So check this out. Here's your website, right? Go to your website or whatever you're trying to share, right? Maybe this is something that you're trying to sell or whatever. And I'm going to have a follow-up to this. Just a caveat. I'm going to have a follow-up to this to show you how to save this on your phone so that you can have a QR code on your screen on your phone so that when you go to like mixers and meet people or whatever, or at the shop, like I'm going to a mixer this evening, which is more of a general business mixer. Anyways, I'm going to put my QR code on my screen so that if somebody needs my contact info, they can just point their camera at my phone. So that's super cool too. But check this out. If you are trying to share like your website or something like that, and you don't know how to get a QR code for your website, there's tools you can buy, or you can do this to get it for free. Okay. So in Chrome, come up here to the top and click right here where it says share this page. Okay. Check this out. QR code. Boom. So it's got this goofy little dinosaur on here. And what you do is just hit download. You can download this and then have a graphic design person put it on your business cards. You can put it on flyers at the shop. So you can go into like Microsoft Word when you build flyers, Google Docs or whatever. And you can actually paste this into a doc to have people scan it. And it will take them to your website or literally whatever the URL is, right? So if you want them to go to your Facebook page, if you want them to sign up for a drawing, anything like that, use this. It's super cool. It's free. Chrome has it. This is in Brave. This is what I use. Brave has its own right here. It says create a QR code for this page. You just click it. Same thing. Hit download right there. It's got the little lion face. But like I said, there are tools where you can like custom brand your own. I have that. Nobody gives a shit. Nobody cares if your logo's in the middle. Nobody fucking cares. Like, just use this. It's free and it takes 3 seconds. Okay. So I hope this is helpful for you guys. And I will try to film the follow-up, how to put it on your phone and all that, as soon as I can. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. All right. Have a good one.